Okay, so today in our budget stock pantry series thing, we're going to look at these little babies. These right here. These are called linseeds. In some parts of the world, they're called flax seeds. But the plant they come from is the flax. Don't ask me why they're called linseed. I don't know. I don't know. Probably 5 minutes on Google will tell me, and if I figure it out, I'll write it above. But, you know, right now, these are linseeds, right? Linseeds are an amazing little powerhouse food. Okay. Now, they're best used ground up, which is fine. But they get best kept whole because they go off very quickly if they're ground up. So you want to get them whole and grind them up as you need them. And the easiest way to do that is get yourself a mortar and pestle and just do it that way. Because you're not going to use many of these at the same time. Because they're normally used in things as a bit of a booster. Kind of like if you put them in bread or in baked goods or granola or something like that. The other way that they get used quite often is as an egg replacement. Because these things create their own snot. Or mucilage. If you want the proper word, it's mucilage. And they're very good at it. And that gets used as a egg replacer in egg-free baking. So really, really good. But I'll tell you what, this little powerhouse plant is also really good as the plant itself, which is why we eat the seeds and not the plant. Because the plant itself gets used to make things like, oh, I don't know, linen cloth and oilcloth, which is made from linen and the oil of the linseeds, which is insane. Linseed oil is used in furniture making and to finish off wooden products and such. Pretty cool stuff. And from the linseed product, oil making, the cakes that are left are used to feed the animals as a supplement. Wow. And the straw that's left over from the linen is used in things like composite board, and in some cases as a replacement for carbon fibre. This little plant, this little tiny seed right here, you'd think would cost the absolute earth. And if you buy it in small amounts, like I have it here, it will. But for a kilo of this, it's £3.74 at the moment. Can you imagine how much a kilo would be? That's 100 grams. So 10 times this amount you would be looking at for a kilo. See, even Tinkerbell's impressed. You know? See, the other good thing about this, it's a seed. So what can we do? What can we do with whole foods when we keep them whole? We can grow their replacements. So in any kind of emergency situation, if you needed seeds to be able to grow more, you've got them in your cupboard. So not only are they edible, but you can replace them by growing your own. There is no excuse for not having these in your cupboard. At £3.74, at the time that I make this video, for a kilo, I'd be getting 2 or 3. Now, they do come in different colours. These ones are called golden linseed. There are other ones that are called brown linseed. It's just like quinoa. It comes in white, comes in brown, comes in red, right? It's just a colour. There is no difference in the nutritional value at all. No difference in the nutritional value. Maybe a bit nuttier in taste for the brown ones, but that is it. So go out, get yourself some of these. Because I tell you what, they are a great way to get some really good health benefits into your daily routine and to keep them there when things go pear-shaped.